You can see it's sending. It's finalizing now. It's finalizing the video. Shall wait. Don't press anything because it will not run on background. So you have to leave it like this. In fact, you can leave it and go and play save, then come back. So then you can save maybe to your gallery or to your, I don't know, you can share to WhatsApp, you can see. But me, I don't have enough space on my phone. That's why I want to copy it to my memory card. So but you can save to gallery for easy something. So I want to copy it to my memory card. You can see. So I'm copying to my memory card. So it's done copying. Then we are good to go. So we have come to the end of the first class now. Then we'll continue on how to edit it. Thank you.